Natural gas last week has shown a very strong bullish move hitting all the way towards 4.06. Remember, we had been waiting for this since long. I had mentioned till 2.97 and 3 is not taken. You can stay bullish in natural gas. What has happened? We have seen a 33% appreciation in last few weeks itself. The moving averages here have also crossed over. So what does natural gas gonna do in the coming week? What can we expect from natural gas? Are we looking forward to 4.2 and 4.4 level, or the highs are done, things are getting overbought, wait for a reversal here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates for natural gas, first with the Asia and Europe session and next before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Now, first, let's have a look at natural gas on the daily charts. From here, we have mentioned, see, this is a rise. You can see the move here, drop, sideways movement, retracement, drop, sideways movement, retracement. Once it comes out of this channel, you can stay bullish. What has happened? We have seen a good rise here. Then it has created the first base at 3.05. Then again a good rise. It has created the second base at 3.4. And then this third rise. Now, if you connect the lows and the highs, you can find out natural gas is trading in this channel here, which is still a bullish channel. The lows for this channel are now towards 3.6, 3.8 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone. Even if it tries to retrace, I think till 3.6, it has got very strong support, and from those levels again you can see a bounce back or a recovery. If you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bullish. And see, this crossover has appeared after a good longer time here. This crossover on the buy side with such a divergence anyways was not there in the recent past, and this is a good divergence which is indicative of prevailing bullishness here. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, it has created a top at around 4.0506, which is indeed a good resistance here. Also, what we had seen in the last trading session, you can say lower highs, lower lows are seen. So now in the coming week, if it gives you a gap up beyond 4.06, you can stay bullish. You can stay bullish. What we can look forward to? We can look forward to 4.12 and 4.2 levels directly. Yes, 4.2 is an achievable target, and in fact, beyond this, 4.4 will be seen very soon. Also notice the price is closed above 5-period moving average, which is indeed a very good support here. And now one more point here. See what has happened on the last trading session. We have seen a good drop all the way towards 3.8486 as we have discussed. From these support levels, a good recovery, which is also a supportive sign for further bullishness. But when you look at a stochastic on the daily charts, this was overbought, now trying to cool down here. But look at, if you see MACD here, this is trading with divergence, staying bullish. It is not that it cannot rise further. Yes, it has still got room here for it to rise all the way towards plus 200, which means if it continues to trade bullish in the coming week, specifically a move beyond 4.06 and 4.12, you can just stay bullish. You can in fact expect 4.2 and 4.4 levels very soon before it tries to show any kind of retracement or a reversal. Right now, indeed, it is trading bullish here. RSI at the top, which is a slight worry point. Also look at the daily charts. One more point to look at it. If you connect this, this appears to be trading in this larger moderate bearish channel. For it to confirm a possible reversal, it has to trade beyond 4.44, 4.46 zone. Any move beyond 4.46 will confirm the move towards 5, and a move beyond 5 will confirm the near-term rally towards 6 as well. But too early to jump onto that conclusion. Right now, let's focus on the nearest time frames. Stochastic here on the daily charts is overbought, trying to cool down a bit. Look at MACD, this is still rising, and the RSI is at the top here. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, what has happened? See the rise here, the retracement period has appeared. Then the rise, it is trying to retrace. It is possible that it can retrace as well. How low it can retrace? We can in fact expect 3.8 or 3.6 zone, which is now going to remain a prime support zone. Also, there is a gap left to be filled all the way towards 3.5. So these three levels you should watch out for if natural gas tries to reduce from current levels. But remember, from 4 to 3.6, we are talking about a 10% correction. Though it is natural gas, it's not a big deal for gas to erase 10% in a single day as well. But yes, I think it is going to be difficult. Look at that 4-hour charts also, it is forming a nice flag. So if in the coming week you see natural gas trading above 4.02 and then 4.06. These two levels. You can then stay bullish. Why so? See, the retracement is done, price has taken the support from 20 period, and if it breaks out, it is going to deliver a stronger up move here. Stochastic rising, which is also a good supportive sign for the bulls. Look at when you see the MACD, so this is a slight worry point. See the rise, the retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Again, a bigger rise, and it is just half the way down here. So what it is trying to do, it may converge even if it shows 2 to 3 greener candles from here, which means the price will already move towards 4.2, 4.4. And from these levels, if it starts to retrace slowly, this will again hit to the bottom here. And the second possibility is a crossover and the double top. So if it tries to move towards double top, price is already going to be at $5 levels. And thus, you have to watch out the coming week. It is going to remain very, very crucial for natural gas. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, not trying to trade with slight. Now coming to the weekly charts. Now see, if you track the movement in natural gas for the last few weeks, you can see, first of all, since 2024, we had seen a very good beginning of the year 2025 when the prices moved all the way towards $5 levels. Now see this rise, then a retracement, the bigger rise, then a retracement. Now it is back to this bullish channel. It is back in this bullish channel here. And now again, we are looking at the same move here. See, first half, you can see first quarter, we can see a rise here, you can see a rise here. Then the bearishness prevailed, and then the second half of year, the bulls took over. And now again, the same is what you can look at. And now it has come towards a zone where it has to decide whether to deliver a breakout or not. On the weekly charts, first of all, a rise, slight retracement, and now a gap up and the first candle. Now, a first candle suggests that there could be follow-up candles from here because see, it has created a good base here at 3.4, and with this as base, it is trying to rise. Second, the moving averages are again crossing over here and trading with divergence. It suggests that now is the time for net gas to keep on rising. Third is the Bollinger Bands have narrowed. These are running flat. Time for it to start expanding the bands, and thus the move in the coming week is going to remain very, very crucial here. So that is why I say 4.06, 4.11, 4.2 are the three levels you have to wait. And now once it trades beyond 4.2, the possible targets are going to be towards 4.3 to 4.4 and in fact 4.6 levels. As you can see, it is delivering a near-term reversal. Any move beyond 4.4, 4.6 will confirm the next move towards $5, 5.5 and 6 in the near future. See, this is natural gas. It can in fact do wonders in a single day as well. Also, moving averages since the crossover, they have tried to converge, now again trying to diverge, which is a very, very good indication for the bulls. If you see the stochastic, though it is trading at the top, but it still has room for further rise. Look at MACD here. See, since a good retracement, it is now crossed over. And this crossover, and see, this is divergent as well, which is a good supportive sign for forthcoming bullishness. And that is where I say, beyond 4.2, I think the looking back will be difficult. In the near term, prices might move towards 4.6 or in fact 5 as well. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for the bulls here. Coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, you can see we have discussed this several times since the bottoming here, then retracement, then lower lows, and now retracement. So ideally, it is back to this bullish channel, higher lows and higher highs here. Now, higher highs means the next move for gas is going to be all the way towards $6 levels here. You should watch this out with caution. Now, on the monthly charts in the beginning of the month, I have mentioned last month that this could be the possible sign of reversal. We have seen one candle, and now see, if you consider this as a symmetrical move, this candle is very, very important. Why so? It has hit the highs at 4.3 and then closed the month at around 3.6. So if it is symmetrical, this could in fact show such move, or possibly hitting 4.4, 4.6, it can come down 4.2, it can come down towards 3.8 again. So this is something you should watch out for. Also notice this could be possible beginning of a reversal or a rally here in natural gas. Just keep these words. Stochastic rising, MACD was traded bearish. It has converged here, now trying to diverge, which is still a good sign for forthcoming bullishness. See, here it was a straight fall. It can give you a straight rise for the next few months. RSI rising, which is also a very, very good sign for the bulls. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 35th mentorship batch commencing soon. Register yourself now, reach out to me for queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for queries. Those looking forward to trusted partner, which offers you sweat-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. With this, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy at 4.02 in the coming week. Expect 4.05, 4.06 as the first resistance. Very, very important. If this is taken, expect 4.11, 4.12 at the next. And if this is taken, I will be looking at the most crucial number at 4.2. Beyond 4.2, stay bullish. It is not going to come back. We can see 4.32 and 4.4 levels. And beyond 4.4, the direct landing is at 4.6. See, this is natural gas. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp. And now at 4, if we are talking about 4.6, that's a 15%. We have already seen 15 to 20% drop and a rise in a single day in natural gas. So this is not something which it cannot do. You have to just trail your stop losses. Beyond 4.2 is where real bullishness will be seen. But let's catch up with the bearish scenario here. What if it drops? Now, the possibility of a drop towards 3.6 cannot be denied here. And thus you can take a sell at 3.94 levels, expect 3.9, 3.86, and then below 3.86, 3.78, 3.7, and then 3.6 will arrive. Now these are going to remain the key support levels here. Till 3.6 and 3.8 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Below 3.6 is where you can again expect oil to be gas to be at 3.4, which is the most crucial support zone for any downward move for now, for the near term for natural gas. As in how it breaks the support levels on the downside, more bearishness is going to prevail. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.